Hi everyone and welcome to Scala Hosting's YouTube channel. My name is Borislav and today I want to draw your attention to a recent article we published on our blog discussing a very interesting problem. Now, it has to do with shared hosting. Now, if you're on a shared hosting plan, your account along with the accounts of dozens of other users are all situated on the same physical server. You use the same server hardware resources, which isn't normally a problem, as shared servers tend to be powerful enough to ensure that all the accounts perform well. In addition to this, however, you also use the same IP address for incoming and outgoing communication, which could prove problematic. Imagine, for example, that one of the accounts on the shared server gets compromised. Hackers break in and they deploy a script that sends thousands of emails to addresses all around the world. As soon as spam filters get wise to this, they will immediately blacklist the IP, and this will disrupt the email communication for everyone on the shared server. It's one of the inherent disadvantages of shared hosting, and the only way to get around it is to use a VPS. Now, with a VPS you have your own virtual machine. It has its dedicated set of hardware resources which are available at all times and only you can use them. Crucially, a VPS also has a dedicated IP address, and once again you are solely responsible for its reputation. In addition to pretty much guaranteed email deliverability, a VPS gives you a number of other performance and reliability advantages, especially if you get it with sPanel, our proprietary management platform. You can read more about the tools and the features you get with an sPanel VPS through the link in the description. There's a lot of useful information in there, so make sure you check it out, and if you find it helpful, share it on social media. That's it for me. I'll see you next time.